Hi, I'm Sean from Honeywell, and this is a sensor evaluation kit tutorial for SEK001 and 2. Let me begin by introducing the sensors and their evaluation kits. First, we have the SEK2 with HIH humidity sensor. This HIH sensor comes with a filter, which allows it to be used in condensing applications. It is a SiP4 pin soldered on the SEK2 port. The Honeywell Particulate metal sensor is also connected to this kit using a special cable. And here we have the Honeywell HSE pressure sensor with TEB total error band specification of ±1% mounted on an SEK1 board. Next up, we have the ABP Basic Series pressure sensor with wide configurations and decent performance mounted on the SEK2 board. The MPR pressure sensor is a leadless SMT type soldered on a breakout board and jumpered to the SEK2 board. Lastly, we have the Arduino pairing board, which draws 5 DC voltage from the PC using USB Type-A to USB Type-B cable. Now, I will demonstrate how we can connect the sensor to the PC. Firstly, the Arduino pairing board is green in color. Identify it and connect the USB cable to it. Then mount the sensor evaluation kit onto the Arduino pairing board. Make sure that the pins are aligned and both boards are close to one another with minimal gap. When connected to the PC, the LEDs on the Arduino board should light up, indicating power and connectivity. I already have the SEK1 software installed and loaded on my PC, and all that's required now is to enter its sensor type, model, and part number. Once submitted, it should take a few seconds for the readings to show up on the graph. The readings will stabilize in minutes, and in the meantime, we can try and exhale air to the sensor to observe its response.